welcome to all. Previous video discussed about the Java inheritance concept, single inheritance and multi-level inheritance. Discussed about the previous video, and we have discussed about this concept are called hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance means when two or more classes are inherit a single class. When two or more classes inherit a single class, it is known as called hierarchical inheritance. For that example, this is also called a structure of a hierarchical inheritance. The class B and the class C, the derived classes inherit the properties of base class A. Inherit the properties of base class A. It is known as called a hierarchical inheritance. More than one base class, more than one derived classes inherit the properties of same base class. More than derived classes inherit the properties of same base class. It is known as called a hierarchical inheritance. For that example, write a programs for the example of a hierarchical inheritance. I am writing for these examples here, this inheritance. The father is also called a base class or super class or parent class. Son and daughter is also called a derived class. Son and daughter also inherit the properties of your father class. Son and daughter inherit the properties of father class. Now writing this program, class father. Father is also called the base class. This declaring for the two variable, family name and house address. They are using for the data types are called string. Father creating for the methods is called the constructor. Father constructor. Family name, this variable assigning for the values are called programmer. And the house address assigning for the values are called tree. This closing for this method. This next, the son derived class is derived inherit the properties of father class. So the son derived class is inherit the properties of base class. The son is inherit the properties of base class are called the father class. Okay. This creating for that son constructor. This displaying the methods are called system.out.println. I am the son. System.out.println display methods are called I am the son. The statement is displayed. The another one display statements are called my family name is. My family name is this dot family name. This is reference for that base class variable. Accessing for that another class. This using for that this method used. And I am from this dot house address. Next, this son constructor is closed. Another one is called daughter is also called a derived class. The two derived classes inherit the properties of same base class, father class. Extends father. The daughter class creating for the constructor called daughter. System.out.println display the statements are called I am the daughter. And system.out.println my family name is plus this name. The double quotes are used to display the statement only. This another one plus is used for that concatenating for that statement. This dot family name. This keyword is used to accessing for that base class variable or reference for that variable, instance variable. Okay, this dot family name, and I am from this dot family name. This is also called hierarchical inheritance. Two derived classes inheriting the same properties or same base class. So this is also called class family. Family is also called a main class. Public static void main. Public static void main string arguments. Son is creating for that object. Son is creating the objects are called S. Object name is also called object name S new son. This constructor, the main difference between a constructor and a method. Methods are only object creating for that object. The dot operator used to calling for that methods only, accessing for that method. But constructor, when will creating for that objects, automatically invoke the method. When will creating for that objects, automatically invoke the method. This is main difference between the method and the constructor. Okay, this son is creating for that object. This automatically invoke a method for a son method. This is constructor. This calling for the son method, son class. The system.out.println display the statements outputs are called I am the son. Next outputs my family name is this display statement plus this dot family name. Already the family names are storing a programmer accessing for the base class value. Okay, my family name is programmer. My family name is programmer and I am from this dot house address storing for the tree. Thus displaying the outputs are called my family name is programmer and I am from Trichy. This is displaying the output. These outputs are displayed. Next, creating for the daughter class. Daughter class creating for the object. Data class also creating for the constructor. The constructor manually creating for that object automatically call this method. Automatically invoke the method. The data class creating object data D is object new data. That's automatically invoke the methods are called daughter method. That's calling for this. I have the daughter outputs are displayed. Next one sir, my family name is this dot family name is storing for the programmer. Family name is programmer. My family name is programmer and I am from Trichy. That the output is displayed. This is for example program for hierarchical inheritance. This is example program for hierarchical inheritance. Okay. Okay. Thank you.